guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you one of my monthly challenges, and we are creating a look for less. I have asked anybody who wants to join me to recreate something that they had found in another store or somewhere and recreate it for a lot less. So look for less. So my inspirational piece is this. You can find these everywhere, and mine is going to be a variation of all the ones that I kind of found, but this is the inspiration, and I am going to be recreating it using foam board and some paint. So come and join me, and don't forget to check out the playlist, which will be linked in the description box for you to check it out. There's going to be tons of, I'm hoping, tons of different videos to choose from. So without further ado, let's get started. So like I mentioned, for this you will need foam board. I am using 2 of them. I did buy an extra one just in case. Some picture frame or some sort of a rectangle that you can use as a stencil. You need a craft knife or a cutting knife, X-Acto knife, pencil, and some rulers. So the first thing that I do is I just kind of try and figure out the spacing between the openings. Now the originals are a mirror, but I am creating a window because I did not want to put mirrors behind there. I wanted it to be opened as a window. So I am just measuring out, making sure that they're evenly spaced out. You only really have to do the main measuring in the first row, and then you just measure the spacing between each squares as you're moving up afterwards. Once I have them set up the way I want to, I trace them with a pencil, and I repeat this until all the way to the top. I don't know about you, but I love changing out my decor often, and purchasing pieces that are so expensive, it's just, I don't like doing, since I most likely won't use it a couple months down the road because I changed my mind with my style. So I find that this is a great way to create stuff on a budget and recreate something that you liked. I like crafting, so you obviously have to like crafting, but I assume if you're watching this video you do. So let me know if you agree that creating look for less pieces on a budget makes it a little bit more feasible to redecorate so often. I know some people don't like to redecorate, but I do, so this is why I'm recreating pieces on the budget. This piece totaled me at $2.50, and I already had some paint on hand, but I did not really use that much paint to begin with. Now I had proceeded to cutting it, and I am using a ruler just to give me a straight line. Now at the top here, I am angling it just to give it that nice angle, and the windows are going to be only kind of showing up halfway, which you will see once I pop everything out. I did have to go over the cuts again because I wasn't going very hard because I was worried I was gonna like miss the markings. So I go over with the knife again just to cut all the way through. You don't have to do this if you are more precise with your cuts, but I tend to be a little bit on the messier side. Now, when you pop these out, because it is kind of styrofoamy in the middle, you want to just clean that up a little bit. You can use scissors or just rub the knife along the edges and it will knock it off. Now, I am making 2 of these, so I will be making another one. I just did not want it to bore you with that. And I also round the corners just to make it look a little softer. Now for the paint, I am using a cocoa and an old white or the original by Annie Sloan. You can paint this any color you want. I was going for that, again, that French country look that I've been loving. When I'm applying paint, I am going very light and then I do press a little bit harder in certain spots just to give me that antiqued look. And obviously I'm not covering the whole piece with solid paint. So I just want to say, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonja, and I'm so glad that you stopped by. This is my DIY channel. I have several other channels which are going to be all linked in the description box, all lifestyle home type of channels. So if you want to check them out, like I said, they will be linked in the description box. But on this channel, you will find these type of DIYs as well as furniture upcycles, and trash to treasure makeovers. So I would love it if you join my YouTube channel and press that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. Now I move on to layering the white paint, and I do the same thing. Now I am layering it straight after I finish applying the cocoa, because I wanted it to kind of blend a little bit as well. Now I am moving on to my next one. Now be very careful if you are painting only one side that you paint the opposite side that you painted of the first one. That way they will match together when you put them together. I almost made a mistake by applying the paint on the wrong side. Not a big deal. I would have just had to paint both sides. But if you're painting only one side, just keep that in mind. Now, I wanted to ask you guys, what kind of decor do you enjoy? Do you enjoy the French country? Do you enjoy the modern farmhouse, or just a typical farmhouse, or a little bit of everything? I have been dabbing into the modern farmhouse look as well as the French country lately, and I do enjoy rustic farmhouse as well. So let me know which ones do you guys enjoy the most, or if you enjoy all of them. Here they both are sitting on top of my fireplace. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I think it's going to be a great backdrop to this brand new fireplace in my rec room. I just have to paint the walls because they're still not finished because I'm rearranging stuff downstairs. But I think this looks amazing, and just for $250 it's going to be, like I said, great addition as a backdrop to this fireplace. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the playlist linked in the description box, and also don't forget to press the subscribe button and a notification bell, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.